Okay, so now the last session we have studied about some concept about object functions and events. Okay, see, I have a questions here. Uh, what is the object, Karthik? What is object? Or anyone tell me what is object? Then what is an event? Okay, no issues. So I will explain one more time. So the concept is very easy. You just need to understand the concept is. Okay, I will just draw one more time. So there are the three things: object, functions, and events. Let's say first one is the object. Okay, what is an object? So object is a real world entity which is having sorry, a states and a behavior. What is the state? Let's say I will take the person is an object. Person is an object. What is the states of the person? State of the person is his name. His name, age, salary. You can take anything: salary, height, weight, like a color, everything, reason, and everything. State means it is a it will give the information about the object. So this is a state, we can say property name. Then the methods. So this is called what a state, and this is called a behavior. What is the behavior of person? He can talk, walk, run, jump, skip. So any action, no? So that is called a behavior. So it is the what is the answer we need to tell for the what is an object means object is a real world entity which is having the states and it is having a behavior. What is the state? State is like a name, age, something like that. So we can call as a state or a property name. What is called a property name? I will write here. So this is the property. We can call the property name or a state. Okay. Then we can call a behavior or a action, including all we can say as a object. Got it? What is an object? Object is a real world entity. We can say state which contain the states and behavior. So let's say okay. Then what are all the objects? Other than what are all the objects? Let's say I will take one more example. So home. Home is again we are going to be divided into home, states, and behavior. Okay, what is the state of the states and behavior in the sense? So this one. What is the state of the home? Home name, address, location, price, home name, etc. Actions: open door, close door, open gate, close gate, open window, close window. So these are all the methods we can associate. So the states and the behavior, including we can say as a object. Got it? So that is called an object. Okay, so we can say this is an object. So let's say you can take a Animal, dog. So I will take a, what is the dog? See, a dog is an object. How? What is a dog? How a dog object? What is the state of the dog? Dog name, price, breed, color, height, weight, width, etc., etc. So that's it. Then what is the action? The actions are something: bark, bite, run, jump, sit, get up, get down, etc. So the states and behavior we can say all as an object. Okay. So what is the sentence we need to ask? Tell if someone asks, what is an object? The object is a real world entity which is having the states and the behavior. Okay, so then we can call as an object. So that is clear. The next is the function. Okay, so object, function, event. What is a function? A function is a some piece of a code to perform a task. It might be an add a two number, it might be a subtract a number, it might be a play a video, it might be an open door, or it might be a close the door. Any action oriented, that is a function is a set of a instruction of a code to perform a specific task. So if I click, the calculator will be there. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So who is doing the calculator? That function. So this is called a function. If someone asks what is a function is a piece of a code or lines of a code so to perform a specific task. So that is clear. If you answer this much sentence, it's okay. The next is the event. What is the event? Event means something is happened. See, if I click means so this is an event. Clicking is an event. Clicking is an event. Opening a new tab is a function, we can say. Okay. So just I want to give one a realistic example. What is a so we got to know object, functions, and event. So I will take a one example. So this is your home, okay, and here somewhere around a ringing bell is there. Then here it is a one button is there. Okay, okay. So here it is a wire is connected. What is the object now? The ringing bell is a object. A ringing bell is an object. How? What is the ringing bell name, price, durability, etc., etc. We can pass. So that is called a ringing bell is an object. Then clicking on this button. So we are going to be click, right? So if I click means so that is called an event. So what is the event? Something moving. So this cursor is moving. This is called an event. This is called a move event. So, so click means what? We are going to be click that button. So that is click is an event. So once we click, it is going to be passed to the bell, and it is performing a some sound that is called a function. Okay. So this is the bell is an object. Clicking on the button is an event, and making a sound is a function. Clear? So object, events, mm, functions are three almost all we are using. If someone asks what is an object, so object is a real world entity which is having a states and behavior. Then function. The function is a piece of a code to perform a specific task. What is an object? Object is a okay event, right? Event is a something is happened. CODE. Okay. So if I clicking on this button, the close is button. Okay, this let's see here. If I click means clicking is an event. Okay, so now we are going to be discuss about the major topics now onwards. So in that the first one is a string. Okay, so the index 5. So why it is loading it means so my extension are adding here. So my extensions are adding here. So that is why index5.html. Okay. So it is going to be create a file. The string. What is a string? Today we are going to be discuss about what is a string. A string is a sequence of a character. How? If I type Virat. The Virat is what? One string. Okay. Then if you call this one means, so this is the number. See, this is the number, this is the string. So always it is enclosed with a double quote or a single quote. Okay. So we will discuss more on that one. The first one is what? DOC. Let's close all those things. DOC document. Save it. H2 the strings. Okay. First we'll go with the what is the string. If in the interview, if anybody asks like what is a string? A string is a sequence of a character to perform a specific task. Okay. So then what is a sentence? 1 minute. The string is a sequence of a character. Okay, this is the sentence. So we are going to be discussed by one example, control S. So where we are going to be write a script, JavaScript inside a script tag. Okay, so let txt. So what is a let? Let is a keyword. What is a txt? Is a variable. So variable, what is a variable? It can hold the value. Let txt equals to Virat. Okay, save it. So now document dot write of txt. Save it. Right click. Open with the live server. So it is going to be open uh, with a live server. Okay. So Virat is there. So either you can use a double quote or you can use a single quote. It will be treated as a string. Okay. So if you see here now also, it will be the same. Okay. So now if I mention a number, but I am creating as a string, what is the output? See, this is a number. But what is the type? Type is a string. Why? Because it is enclosed with a double quote or a single quote. So, what does it mean? If you mention the character, if you mention the special character, if you mention the numbers, it will be treated as a character only. Why? Because so it is enclosed with a code. Okay, so that's why we can treat as a string only. So just Virat Kohli. So I want to find the length. Okay, now I will take a let y equals to how to find the length. So I want to find the Virat Kohli. Okay, so where it is storing inside the text. So txt dot length. Okay, so txt dot length. Now what I am doing, so for the text variable I am finding a length, then it is going to give the length of the this text, so that is storing into y. Okay, so then document dot write of y. Okay, save it. Now it has to be find the length. We'll go to the browser. See, it is telling the level. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what is the 11? Here the space also considered as a one character. Okay, so that's why 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is telling the 11 because of you are going to be, it will be treated as a one memory space. It will be taken a space for this one. So that is why it is telling the 11. Okay, so that is called a what you can say a string. So we can have a different methods here. Okay, so we have created a what you can say a string. Now we will see the one more trick here. I will use a document dot write. I will add a plus symbol here. Okay. Okay. What is the plus symbol it will do? It will draw one plus symbol means it will differentiate the line. Okay. I want to add a one break here. What is the break will do? It will break the line. So it will differentiate between the top text to the and the below text. So now what I want to do? I want to create a string object. String object. Okay. So how to create a string object? So we know about the creating a variable. Then we are going to be create an object of type of string. How? Let's say let x1 equals to Rohit. Let x1 equals to Rohit. Let x2 equals to new. What type of a string? That is a what type of object? So that is a string type. So then I want to Rohit. See, this one is sorry. This one is acting as a this one is acting as a what? A string. But this one object. Why? Because whenever you used a new operator, then you can treat as an object. Okay. So let x1 is storing the Rohit value. Let x2 it is become an object because he used a new operator string Rohit. That Rohit will be dumped to the x2. Okay. So here let x1 Rohit let x2 equals to new string Rohit. So this Rohit is dumped to the x2. If you want to access, so you just use a console.log of or document.write of x2. Then it is printing the Rohit. But both are not equal. Why? Because here also Rohit is there, here also Rohit is there. But here it is an, a variable, here it is an object. If you just see here, so just I will use a document dot write of x1 is equals to x2. So what is the condition? It will check is the x1 value is equals to x2 or not. So just show it. Okay, so here what happens? Uh, but here the values are the same, but the variable and object is are different. The value is the same. Here also Rohit, here also Rohit. But if you see the type of variable means it will be displayed as a variable, it will be displayed as an object. Okay, but never create a string as an object. You cannot. So you don't have to create a object variables like this. Okay, so this is the way to create an object. So what we got to know here, we can create a variable, we can create an object. When it is variable, so let keyword variable name, this is the value. Let keyword x2 new a string, so this is the value. So here it is going to be print. So I will just copy this one, copy, and I will add somewhere again like this. Just will add a sum of plus here, control s. So now we got to know what is a string object. Okay, the next we are going with the some of the string basic methods. Okay, the first one is a length. We already seen how to see the length. So just document dot right of, I will add a break because it is going for the new line. Break the string length is plus, what is the string? The x1 is the string. So x1 dot length. So it is going to be print the length of the string. So the length is 5. Why? Because 1, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is why it is printing the 5. So that is the length. Okay. The next is what? The caret symbol. Okay, so caret symbol, what it will returns, so the character at a specified position. What does it mean? So we are going to be take a one string here. Let's say I will take a one more string here. Let x3 equals to welcome to Bangalore. Okay, so this is a my string. Then I want to find the character with the specified index. How it is storing? So it is storing like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so if you want to see the length, so how to do? You just copy this one and add here. What is the x3? So just change the x3, control S. If you just go here, you are going to see 20th is there. But one more thing method is there, that is the caret. So how to do caret? The caret method is, okay, what is the character for the x3? X3, so you no need to remember. If you call the x3 is in a variable, the caret automatically it will come. Caret character at what location? So 0th location. Okay. So what I am printing here for the document dot write. So this is the custom string. You can give anything here. You can give XYZ also, it will print. So x3. What is the x3? X3 it is containing a sentence. So then x3 dot caret. So x3 dot caret means for the x3 string character at position. It means for the x3 location at the position of character 0, what is there? So w is there. So it has to be printed w. Control S. If you just go here, see here w is there. Why? Because so it is going to be start with a 0. If I just make a something 4, save it. So it will be the fourth character is a O, like that it is showing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth character O is there, so that is it is going to be print like this. Got it? So caret means what? So caret is a method. It will indicates that for the at the specific position what character is there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Okay, so let's say we can go like that, so many examples, but we are going to be the top orders only. Okay, the next is the string extraction. Okay, so you might see the some of the in the Three Idiots, he is going to be find and select all, and he is going to be replace some words. Let's say Wikipedia something. Wikipedia Virat Kohli. Search here. Okay, so just select a Control F. Now, what is this one? Just I will type Virat. See, it is telling that 127th location is there. See here, here also Virat, here also Virat, here also Virat, Virat, Virat. So wherever it is there in color here. See here, Virat. So why it is, how it is happening in things? These methods only, these string methods only it is giving. So how many? So out of 120, 171 times Virat Kohli is there. If you see here, wherever the Virat Kohli is there, see, these are all the Virat Kohli, it is there. Got it. So I want to find the some methods called a string extract or a string extraction. Control C, I will add a method called a string extract. Means I have a one string, I need to extract a part of this string. How to do? What is a string? So this is the welcome to Bangalore, and it's a Silicon City. Okay, the what is this one? Silicon City or whatever the thing you can say. Silicon City. Okay, so I want to extract the part of this string. Part of the string, either I can extract a Bangalore, I can extract a Silicon, or I can extract or I can extract a city. So how to do this one? Okay, so I will go here. I will take a next let x4 equals to, from where I need to extract from the string x3. So x3, okay. So how to extract? So I'm going to be slice method. The first one is what a slice x3 dot slice of, okay, how much, okay, first we'll understand the what is the slice method. Okay, the slice method, the slice extract the part of the string and returns the extracted part, the part into a new string. It means it will extract the string and it will store to another string with the extracted part. Okay. Okay, so how it will be? See, what is the X3? The X3 is a welcome to Bangalore and it's a Silicon City. So slice means what? What is you heard about a mango slice means? Mango slice means, so you have a mango, you are going to be sliced into a piece like that. So you are going to be take a specific slice from the mango. Same thing, we have a X3 is a string, and in this string we are going to be extract the part of this string. So let's say I will take a from the 8 to 18, something like that. From the character 8 to the 18. As I told, it is going to be start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like that. So it is going to be counted. So how we are going to find it? If you want to see here, how it is going to, x3 dot length means it is going to be printed. Okay, so that is we already seen. So here what happens, from the x3 string we are going to be slice from the index 8 to the 18. So then it is the sliced, it is the cutted string will be stored into an X4. Okay, so now document dot write of the sliced string is X4. Control S will go here, right click. Okay, already it is running. See, the sliced string is PANGOALO. So I will add out two more letters, 20. Save it. Okay, so here what happens? I will just remove 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, from the 8, what is this one? From the 8 to 20 means this one. If I don't want a 2 means 8, 9, 10. So I will just go here. 11 to 20 means it is going to be print the only Bangalore. Got it? I will go one more time. What we are going to be discuss the string method slice. Slice means what? You have a see. This is your what you can say. Let's say this is your Mac. Okay, so let's say this is the mango. Okay, so we are going to be sliced into part. So this is a one slice, this is a one more slice. So here slice means we are picking up the some part of the mango. Same thing, out of the whole string, it is storing it in X3. We are going to be extract the only specific a part. So that is called a X3. Document dot write the carrot. Okay. So now here the X3 is what? This string. Slice method, it is going to be cut it. From where? From the location 12 to 20. So 12th location, sorry, 11th location, it is going to be start with the Bangalore to the 20th location. This is the why it is going to be give the slice text of the X4. So that is the X4, it is printing here. Save it. So now it is going to be printed. Okay, so this is called the slice method. So okay, always keep in mind, always it is going to be start with the location 0, not by 1. So it is a counting, always it is going to be start like this. Okay, so there is a one more method. We have passed the two arguments from where to where. If I just pass the uh, only one slice level means save it. If you just go here, sorry, here, see, Bangalore and it is a Silicon City. It what does it means? For the X3 string, slice from the location 12 to the end. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಈ X3 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ನ 11th ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ. So that is called a X3 dot slice means it is going to be sliced from the 11th index to the uh, remaining. Okay, so if you want to do from the see, this is from the left to the right. So if you want to do from the right to the left, so that is also possible. You just pass the minus here. Minus means what? So it is going to be start from the from the right to the left. Save it. If you just go for the X4, see, city silicon. So it is printing from the here to here, city silicon. Okay, so this is called a slice method. So what is the slice method? The slice string, the slice string, and it will slice means it is going to be slice a part of the string and it is storing to the next variable. So that is we are going to be into the slice method. So you can pass the only one value also. You can pass the negative value. Negative means from the right to the left. Positive means from the left to the right. Okay, so that is we can say clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Next method is what? JavaScript substring method. Okay, so next we are going to be discuss about a JavaScript substring. JS substring method. Okay, then what is the difference between the a substring and the slice method? See, the difference is that start and end values less than the zero are treated as a zero in the substring. It means a starting or a ending values is less than zero. Means it is zero value. It will be treated as a zero only. Okay, so just we'll go here. See, almost all similar is there. There is a slice difference is there. So only the as I told here, it is a zero value, no? So that is the start and end value zero is treated as a zero. Then just how to pass the substring here? I will just go here. Let x5 equals to what is my string? X3 is a string. It contains the welcome to Bangalore. Dot substring bracket 11 to 20. So then I want to print this one. I will copy same string and I will add here. So I will add a break here. Okay. So it will break the line and it will go for the new line. So here x3 substring 11 to 20. So the xy is containing here. So just I need to pass the xy to print. Save it. We'll go to here. Okay, so you will not find any difference with the earlier example and this example. Only the indexing is the major thing. What is the indexing? So as I told, 0 or the ending is a 0, it is treated as a 0 only in the sub-str. Okay, the next is the JavaScript sub-str. So what is this we have learned? We have learned about the slice method and we have learned about the substring method and we are going with the sub-str, substr method. So when we call as a method, if open close bracket, it will come open close bracket, no, then it is treated as a method. So keep in mind. So JavaScript sub-str. So, so the difference is that the second parameter specifies the length of the extracted part. Yes, I will show here. I will take a let x6 equals to x3 dot substr bracket copy this one. See, what does it mean this one and this one? So this is the first index from where to start. Here this is the second index. Means this is the what location. But here it is not an index, it is a number of character. After the 11th character, how many characters should be printed? So this is called a what you can say substring method. Same thing, sorry, sub-str method. In the substring method, this is also index and this is also index. And here this is also in this is the index and this is the number of character to display or a print. Got it? So let x3 equals to x3 dot substr means 1130. So it is going to be print the substring. X, x6 equals to x3 dot substr means from the 11th character After the 11th character, you can print the 20 characters, not a index. Okay, so how to print? I will just copy this one, Control C and Control V. This is the x6 is containing the value, Control S, from the 11th index to the 20th character. No, not a 20 characters from the 11th index. If you just go here, see here. So for 20 character means it is going to be printed from there. Index means what? It is going to be start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 11th index. From the 11th to 11th to the 20 means here. But from the 11th to the 20 character means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like that it is going to be a print. Got it? So number of character is different and index is different. Okay, sub str and uh, like a slice method is almost all similar, but the second parameter is the number of characters, not an index. Okay, so here also you can go for the negative value -4 and all everything. The next method we are going is the uppercase and lowercase methods. Uppercase and lowercase methods. Save it. We'll go here. See uppercase and lowercase method. See if you want to make some space here, how to do? If you just add a two more break here. Break, break. Control S will go here. See here, it will add a space. Uppercase and lowercase. So first, what is the string? So is already it is there. Here X3 is containing a welcome to Bangalore is there. So I will take a let x7 equals to x3 dot uppercase. Okay. So now I want to print this one. Document dot write the uppercase method is string is x6. So here it is a x7. What it is doing? So what is the x3? My x3 is a welcome to Bangalore and it's a Silicon City. This is a my string is containing. So that is string is in the something called as smaller case or some uppercase is there. So for the whole string, I am making the uppercase and storing it to an x7. So that x7 is going to be stored here or display here. So just I will go here. See here, the welcome to Bangalore and its Silicon City. Here it is a normal, but before that I will just show here. I will copy. I will copy this one. X3. See, the exact string is what? So this is the welcome to. See, this is the exact string is there. Okay, so we know this one. So once I call the uppercase method, x3.to uppercase method, it is going to be stored in x7. So here it is going to be converted into a lower string to the uppercase letters. Got it? So now x7 is containing a uppercase. Same what I will do, I will take a let x8 one more variable. So what is the containing a uppercase? X7 is containing a uppercase value. Why? Because we have done. So x7 dot lowercase. Now x8 containing a lowercase of a x7. What is the x7? X7 is the uppercase of a x3. Okay, so now I want to print a document dot write off. Okay, I will just copy this one. The lowercase method is what is the exit? Exit is containing the value. See, first is x3 is the lowercase it is there. So that x3 we have made a uppercase and stored those values to the x7. Now it is x7 is printing this one. Now x7 containing the uppercase. Now I have taken the x7 uppercase letter to the lowercase that is stored into an x8. So that is x8 is displaying here. So just save it. We'll go here. See here. Initially x3 is a normal welcome to Bangalore city. This is a small case and uppercase is there. So then by the uppercase method we have made a all capital. Again that is a this one we have made a smaller. So these are all the two methods, uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so now this is a what we can say uppercase and lowercase is done. So this is my x3 is what welcome to Bangalore and it is Silicon City. So I will add one more method will call a string concat. String concat means it is going to be add one string to the another string. That is called a string concat. Okay. So now how to do this one? Control S. So here I will take one more thing. Let x10 or x9 equals to Bangalore is also IT hub. Okay, so we have taken like this x9. Okay, so x3 is what? X3 is my string. Welcome to Bangalore. It is Silicon City, and x9 is the Bangalore is also IT hub. So I want to combine. So x3 and x9. So what I will do? I will take a let x10 equals to let x10 equals to what I am doing here x3. What is my x3? X3 is a welcome to Bangalore. It is a Silicon City. So then x3 dot concat. What is the concat? So concat means it is going to be add a one string to the another string. Concat of, so here I will take a two parameters. I will add some space here, comma x9. What is the x9? Bangalore is also IT hub. It means welcome to Bangalore. It's a Silicon Valley, and Bangalore is also IT hub. Both the string is concat means added and is stored into an x10. So now I will print here Control V. The string concat is method is x10. Control S. If I just go here, see here. Welcome to Bangalore and it's a Silicon City. Bangalore is also IT hub. See, welcome to Bangalore and it's a Silicon Valley is my first string. Okay, so here it is a first string Silicon City, and Bangalore is also IT hub is a one more text. So that is I have concatenated here. Okay, so this is called a string concatenation. Okay, the next is a string trim. What is a string trim? I will take a let x11 equals to, I will add a hello world. So if I print the output, Control C, Control V, the string length is x11 dot length. Control S. See, 23 is there. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But it is showing the 23. Why? Because it is taking the space also consideration. So what I will do, I will use a one more method. Let x12 equals to less x12 equals to x11 dot trim. So now what I will do, same control C, control V. Now x12. So what is my x11? X11 contains a hello word and it is added as some extra space. So now what I am doing, x11 dot length means it is going to be a print the 20th character, 20 character. So here hardly it is a 12 character is there. So for that x11 dot trim, not a trim, this one, this is a trim, okay. Trim. So it will trim the extra space. It will be trim this one means it will trim it like this. Okay. So it will trim the extra space and it is removing the exact string value. So that is 12. So x12 dot length means it is going to print the value like this. See, 12 is the right. Earlier it is a 23. Why? Because they have added a extra spaces. So we have done a trim method. So trim means what? It will cut the extra strings. Okay. So that is why it is going to be print the x12 will be the after trimmed data, that is called a 12 character. So that is why it is printing the 12. Okay, so if you know this one means, so these are all the string methods. So it is easy for you guys to work on it. So like that, so we have some other string methods. We are not going all at once. We have some more string methods and all. So we are going to be work on it in the lecture session. And one more thing I will do here. So what is Bangalore is there, okay? So here one more last method I want to discuss and we will wind up, okay? Let x13 equals to x3. X3 is my what is called my sentence. What is sentence? So this x3 sentence is welcome to Bangalore and it's a Silicon City is there. So now I want to change this Bangalore to Bengaluru. Okay. So x3 dot replace of what is I need to replace? I need to replace with the Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore to Bengaluru. Okay, here Bengaluru is there. I want to change this Bengaluru. Where? For the X3 location. After that, I want to print this one. Control C, Control V. So X, Control S. So x13, it is going to be printed. The string length is x13. It is going to be printed. If you just go here, see Bengaluru. Earlier it is a Bangalore. It is a change to the Bangalore. So that is called a string replace method. So like that we have so many other methods as well. So we are going to be discussing the later session. So today we are going to be stop this one and we'll have a